Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to sell an item on Roblox. In order to sell an item, firstly we have to go to the Roblox website. To do that, go to the search panel, then type Roblox. Now go to official Roblox website. After coming into the Roblox website, make sure that you're logged into your account. After that, go to your inventory. In here, you'll find various items which you can sell. But to sell an item, it has to be a limited item. So in order to sell that, just click on the three dot up here. After clicking on the three dot, a sell option will pop up above add to profile. Just click on the sell. Then you can set the price of the item. You can give any price to the item, but keep in mind Roblox will take 30% of the cost as their fees. You'll also have to enable a two-step authentication in order to sell an item. After you have done these things, your item will be listed on the marketplace and you can sell your item. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.